The next divine names are Al-Zahir, which means the manifest, and Al-Batin, which means the hidden. Allah, the Exalted, is manifest through His divine attributes and decrees, yet hidden from the creation in His essence. The Muslim who understands these names will reflect on the creation of the heavens and the earth in order to recognize Allah, the Exalted, through His manifest signs. For example, if a Muslim ponders over the night and day, and how perfectly in sync they are, and the other things linked to them, they will truly believe that this is not a random thing, meaning there is a force which ensures everything runs like clockwork. This is the infinite power of Allah, the Exalted. In addition, if one ponders over the perfect timing of the night and day, they will realize it clearly indicates that there is only one God, namely Allah, the Exalted. If there were more than one God, each God would desire the night and day to occur according to their own desires. This would lead to utter chaos, as one God might desire the sun to rise, whereas the other God might desire the night to continue. The perfect uninterrupted system found within the universe proves there is only one God, namely Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 21 Al-Anbiya, verse 22.
Had there been within them, i.e. the heavens and earth gods besides Allah, they both would have been ruined.
The recognition of Allah, the Exalted, through His manifest signs, will allow one to become firm in faith in respect to His essence. Firm faith will lead to his sincere obedience and success in both worlds. A Muslim will act on these divine names by hiding their good deeds from the creation as much as possible, thereby ensuring they are done for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. They will choose to remain hidden within the creation, thereby remaining anonymous, instead of seeking repute and fame. The one who behaves in this manner will gain the love of Allah, the Exalted. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 7432. They will be manifest in commanding good and forbidding evil, and openly stand up for the truth, even if it leads to the criticism of people. They will lead by example, by adopting praiseworthy characteristics and avoiding negative characteristics, thereby enhancing the positive impact they have on others, such as their children. Good speech and actions will manifest from them, thereby benefiting themselves and others in both worlds. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.